Hi everyone, my name is Orwa. Today I'll be presenting three of the projects I included in my senior exhibit. One is poster, one exhibition board, and one digital book titled Take Action. These pieces reflect my growth as a designer and my interest in using visual communication to create awareness and promote thoughtful action. I'll start with my first project, which is the Take Action poster. This poster was designed as the main visual for our senior exhibit. I wanted to feel strong, direct, and energetic, something that would make people stop and look. I used a bright yellow and black color scheme to create contrast and attention. The large, bold title, Take Action, is meant to push viewers to think and respond. I also broke the edge of the layout with the title on purpose. It's a small design choice, but it shows that taking action often means going beyond limits or comfort zones. Around the poster, you'll see smaller text listing the names of the students and their projects, topics like plastics pollution, food waste, air pollution, and more. It's a way to bring all our work together under one message. This project helped me to learn how powerful simple a design can be. With just type, color, and space, I was able to create something that feels bold and clear without needing a lot of details. Next is my exhibition board, which was one of the most challenging and exciting parts of this whole project. The goal of this board was to introduce my message and walk viewers through my thought process, research, and design direction. I focused on plastic's effect on biodiversity in the ocean, a topic I care deeply about. I started by researching how plastic pollution harms marine life and the environment. Then I created a mind map to explore ideas visually and help organize my findings. From there, I developed sketches, refined visuals, and created mockups for the interactive pieces that could work in the exhibit. The layout includes a clear title, bold imagery, and research visuals that guide the viewers through my work step by step. I made sure everything felt clean and easy to follow, even though there was a lot of information. One of the hardest parts was figuring out what to include and what to leave out. I wanted the board to feel complete with overwhelming people. With I also thought a lot about how to make parts of the exhibition interactive, things that could get more people to engage, more like a video. This board really pushed me to think like a storyteller, not just a designer. I had to think about how people move through space, how they read information, and how they connect with a message emotionally. Last, I want to talk about my book, which is also titled Take Action. This book is a collection of all the major projects I have worked on during my senior year. It includes a mix of topics like social issues, environmental concerns, my Clockworks project, posters, and more. I wanted this book to feel like a full journey, showing my process from research to final execution, while keeping the layout clean and easy to read. The visual system includes consistent spacing, bold titles, strong image placement, and a limited color palette so everything flows naturally. One of my favorite spreads in the book shows my Clockworks project. I think it represents my visual system really well because it combines strong typography with structure and motion. Another spread I really like is from my social issue project. on plastic in the ocean. It has a mix of research, sketches, and visuals, and I think it tells the story clearly and powerfully. One of the spreads I found more challenging was one with the multiple posters designs. It felt a bit crowded at first. I realized I had to adjust spacing and layout so the design didn't compete with each other. I think it's better now, but there is still room to improve how I group and balance visual on a single page. Overall, making this book helped me reflect on how much I have grown this year as a designer. It's not just a portfolio; it's also a way for me to share my thinking process and patience for visual storytelling. Here you can see like my exhibition boards and also like my everything about this book, like what type of um, typography I used, like typeface I used, and sources as well. And the last thing, I really want to thank you for your time and watch my presentation. I'm really grateful to all of my faculty members for their guidance and support throughout this journey. I have learned so much this year and grown not only as a designer but also as a person.